Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson number 24, and my name is Professor Robert. In today's lesson, we will practice addition and subtraction of polynomials. Addition and subtraction of polynomials. Okay, now let's get right into it. Number one, we are given two polynomials, x cubed minus 3x squared, and we're supposed to subtract add another 5x cubed minus 8x. Again, as we found out yesterday, is that when we have two polynomials being added together or subtracted together, we look at similar terms. And similar terms are those with the variables of the same degree. For example, in this case, we have x cubed. It should work with the terms in the second polynomial that are similar. So this would become x cubed plus 5x cubed. So this will give us a total of 6x cubed. And then we'll go on to the next term, 3 minus 3x squared. When we look here, we don't find it there. So we just have to write minus 3x squared. And then when we come down here, we have minus 8x, and it's not in the first polynomial. So we just write it down, minus 8x. So that would be our final answer. Okay, now let's try a second example. We have 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cubed plus, in brackets, 7x cubed minus x to the power 4 plus 2x. So here again, we look for similar terms. 2x to the power 4 is similar to minus x to the power 4. So if we have 2x to the power 4s here, and here we have minus 1x, this one will give us a total of 1x to the power 4. Then look at the second term here. It's minus 5x to the power 3. And in the second polynomial, we have 7x to the power 3. So we have minus 5x cubed plus 7x squared. So x cubed, this one will give us plus 2x cubed. And then that's it with the first polynomial. So we look at the second polynomial, and we have 2x here, which is positive. So plus 2x plus 2x. That would be our final answer. Okay, now let's try a third example. This time of one of subtraction. So you have y to the power 5 plus 2y cubed plus 7 minus, the second one is y to the power 5 minus 2y cubed minus 7. So the way forward is very similar to what we did in the additions, only that in this case we are going to be subtracting. So we look for similar terms. Here we have 1y to the power 5 minus 1y to the power 5. So that gives us 0. So actually these two just cancel out. Then we move on to the next one, 2y to the power 3. And then here we have minus 2y to the power 3. So this is 2y3 minus 2y3, which will be 4y to the power 3. And then we have here finally 7, which is similar to this 7. And it is 7 minus 7, which will give us positive 14. And that will be our final answer there. Okay. Lastly, we have number 4, which is 3t to the power 7 minus 7t to the power 3 plus 3. And we are supposed to subtract 7t to the power 7 minus 3t to the power 3 plus 7. So again, we look for similar terms. 3t to the power 7 minus 7t to the power 7. This one will give us a total of minus 4t to the power 7. Then we look for those with the term with the t to the power 3, which is similar to that one. So it's minus 7t cubed minus 3t cubed. So this one will leave us with positive, will leave us with a negative. It will be negative 4t cubed. And then lastly, we have 3 minus 7. And that one will be minus 4. And that one will be our final answer. All right. Now, if you think this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and subscribe for more algebra made simple lessons. See you in the next lesson and talk to you then. Bye for now.